Oh look! I can hear the ocean! Look! Oh man, I'm out of ammo! Whatever. Aw yeah, now I got my Pokedex. Go! Golem, use explosion! Alright, since nobody's around to see me, I'm gonna do some target practice. Hey guys, I brought my fake knife. Don't see it, but I'm gonna stab myself. Hot, I'll be okay. See, look. It's a real knife. So guys, hope you liked that little short video that I just made right there. If you got here late, just click the replay button. And comment, rate, subscribe. I'm gonna put up some more videos. Sorry that I have not been able to put up many videos. I've just been really busy with school and sports, and I'm just really